Hello beautiful people, how you all are doing? I hope you all have heard about Becca Cosmetics, and if you do and if you want to know more about this brand, then you have come to the right place. So Becca Cosmetics is a very famous international brand which serves amazing products in the market. It is now finally available in India and all thanks to Nykaa. It is an amazing brand which serves huge range of products starting from skincare to makeup. A lot of their products are still ruling the market in the makeup industry. They serve all range of products starting from serums, moisturizers, primers, under eye corrector, concealers, foundation, lipsticks, blushes, highlighters, etc. Most of their products are best selling products in the market and they are still comes under top 10 product categories. So if you want to know more about Becca, then just keep on watching. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Surbhi Agrawal Patni, and as you have guessed from the title that we are going to talk about Becca Cosmetics today. In this video I'm going to talk about some of my highly recommended Becca products which I think you should get your hands on, because Becca Cosmetics is closing and shutting their doors in September 2021. Yes, you heard it right. It is a little sad that amazing brand like this have to close even though they're still running very good in the market. But as we all know, because of this pandemic situation, the economy has shivered in severely and a lot of small and big companies have shut their doors because of all the problems they have faced during this period. So today we are going to talk about some of the good products which I think you should get your hands on before they'll be sold out forever in the market and before we regret not buying them. So if you want to know what products I'm talking about, then just keep on watching. First product I'm going to talk about is Becca's First Light Priming Filter. This is that purple color tube which comes in its primer section, and it comes in two sizes, 15 ml and 30 ml, and you can obviously try out the mini size. It retails for around 1750, which is a little expensive, but there is a sale going on right now at Nykaa on Becca Cosmetics, so you can definitely pick this product up. This is basically a primer with a purple tint on it, so it gives you the brightening effect. It also has a very nice moisturizing ability with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid contents, which moisturizes your face and make it little dewy base by prepping your skin. It is mainly known for its cool light technology which brightens your skin. That is why it is purple in color. Like we all know the color corrector rules, like the orange is for the darkness on your skin, the green is for the redness or inflammation on your skin, and the peach is for the uneven skin tone, and in the same way the purple is for the dullness on your skin. So this primer is basically for the dull skin people who just want to brighten and rejuvenate their skin right before applying their makeup. I highly recommend it to you guys if you like a little moisturized and brightening primer for your base. So I'm going in the order of the makeup application. Next product I want to recommend you are their color correctors and their under eye brightening corrector. So firstly we are going to talk about the under eye brightening corrector. It comes in two shades, light to medium and medium to dark. Usually medium to dark is always sold out because of how good the product is. The full size retails for around 2200, and again it's on sale right now for 25% off, so you're getting a very good deal, so you can grab it now. So basically it is a full coverage color corrector concealer which brightens your under eyes. It prevents the concealers to get cakey and also settle down on your wrinkle lines under your eyes. It not only sets as a good canvas for your concealer, it also prevents the dark circles that you have, nourishes that area and give you a little bit of brightening effect under your eyes. As it comes in two shades only, there is no confusion as to which shade will suit you the most. Also it has peach and apricot tones of shade. It also neutralizes the blue or that grey tones that you have under your eyes, and your under eye will not at all look dark or grey or bluish after applying all those makeup. I think this is a very amazing product because most of the brands does not easily come out with such good under eye product. This is a grab, guys. Now next product I'm gonna talk about is another corrector shade, which is the orange shade which I use for my under eyes. So it looks like this. It's like a proper orange shade and the shade is called Papaya. So this looks like this. So now I'll show you the hand swatches of the shade. And this is a proper dark orange shade as you can see in the swatch. I'm one of those person, I'm not satisfied with the peach correctors. They are not enough for me to cover my dark circles properly. So I usually go for the orange correctors under my eyes, and out of all the correctors I have used till now of other brands, this is the most blendable and most smooth correctors I have used till now. It does not at all make my concealer cakey. It blends super seamlessly, and it does the work for what it is meant for. So I really recommend you guys this product. Next product I'm going to talk about is their Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Setting Powder. This powder is little revolutionary in the market. There is no such product I have personally seen which works like this does. Basically it feels like a setting mist on your face, but it is in the form of a powder. Yes, you heard it right. So again, it comes in two sizes, 5 grams and 10 grams. It's like when you apply this powder on after your foundation to set your face or face, you will feel like an ice pack touching your face. That means you'll feel that you're spraying water on your face, or if you know what I mean. It gives a cooling sensation right when you apply it, and that's what it does. It not only gives you the cooling sensation, it makes your skin little dewy finish, and at the same time set your face. Some of the benefits of these products are it contains 50% water, and that's why you feel like a setting mist is being sprayed on your face when you apply this with your brush. Secondly, it blurs all the pores and the wrinkles on your faces, and it sets your base perfectly. It provides all day moisture, that is, it gives you a dewy finish as well as the dewy feeling that your skin feels fresh, cool and hydrated all day long. And the best part about this product is it is a boon for dry skin people, but again it is very refreshing and cool for oily people as well, as it is a powder form. Let's give it a try for once at least. So now the next product I'm going to talk about is the star of the show, is the star of this video, and that are the Becca highlighters. Yes, I think most of you must have guessed this by now that I'm going to talk about the highlighters next. I have a lot of their shades, and even I have their face palette which have their highlighters. So I'm going to tell you about each shade, and I'll show you the swatches of each shade. They come in various shade range, I think 5 to 6 shades they have. It also comes in mini size and full size, and I think you should grab the mini size because highlighters are something I think it's very difficult to hit your pan on. The mini size will last you forever, I guess. So this is the size of the mini Becca highlighters. It contains 2.4 grams of product. This is how it looks, guys. Look at the packaging. This is like some luxury product with beautiful mirror embedded on it, because usually many products doesn't have mirror on it, but Becca does. So it's totally worth the price. This is Opal. This is Rose Gold. Then I have one of their limited edition shade which I got from US, but still I'm gonna show you so that you can at least know the formula and the range it comes in. This is Prismatic Amethyst, which is again a very beautiful purple whitish highlighter. It looks like this. Now it's time for my favorite shade to show you guys, but that is the shade which I don't have in single. I have it in the form of a face palette, which is again not available anymore. Their singles are still available, that's why I'm showing you this palette. One of my favorite face palette, that is Becca by Jaclyn Hill palette. So it looks like this. It comes with 2 highlighters and 3 blushes. This is a shimmer brush, this is a matte blush, this is again a darker blush. So I'm going to show you the swatches of only this 2 and a blush so that you can know their blush formula as well. I'll still be posting the pictures of the shades of this highlights on my screen somewhere, so you can see the exact swatches of those. So my favorite shade of highlighter is the Champagne Pop, which is a cult favorite. So I'm going to show you the swatch of Champagne Pop. So this is what Champagne Pop looks like, and this is the beautiful champagne gold color, which is more towards rose gold and little bit towards the golden shade. And the last highlight shade I want to talk to you guys about is called the Prosecco Pop or the Gold Pop, and it is a proper golden color highlighter. This is the Prosecco Pop. which is proper gold shade with golden undertone. It will suit almost every skin tone. So these are all the highlighter shades which I have with me in my vanity. And now I'm going to tell you about the formula of this highlighter. This are very pigmented on application. Use your light hand at first and then you can build it up. And again, it is not that natural kind of highlighter like glow from within, but it is definitely not very gaudy or out loud. It has very micro glitter particles on it, which gives you a shine of a highlighter, but at the same time in a natural way, if you know what I mean. So basically this is a proper balanced of a good highlighter, which is not very natural and which is not at all glittery or powdery or chalky. It gives you the full opacity of what you want from a highlighter, and you can again use it as a highlighter on your high points of your face and also as your eyeshadow as a lid color or to highlight your inner corners of your eyes and your brow bones. So Becca highlighters are a must have in your collection. Out of all the amazing luxury brands who creates amazing highlighting formulas or highlighting product, I would suggest you should go for a Becca product for sure, because anyways it's going out of the market forever. So other brands you can still try on later in your life, but this is the last chance you'll get to try out this highlighters, and these are actually very good guys and worth every single penny. I'm gonna show you all the shades of the blushes from this palette swatches, so you get to know about their blush formula also. This is what the blush of the Becca looks like. Again, amazing opacity, amazing pigmentation, and the shade range also it comes in is vast. So this is Pamplemousse, this is Almond, and this is the Rose, which is the luminous blush. This is like a blush topper which you can apply above your any of your blushes. Or the quality wise, the blushes are also very amazing guys, but there are again very good options in the market for blushes, so I would not recommend to go on with such expensive blush formula, but highlighters are must try you guys. So that was all the products I wanted to highly recommend to you guys before they are sold out forever. You can also buy their mini size, because this is the right time to buy those products so that you can try it out for yourself, and if you do like it, then you can restock it before it is sold out forever. I really hope you guys will also try few of their products, because this is an amazing brand and you should at least buy one product from this brand so that you can know what this brand is all about. Also, I want to give a small disclaimer that this is not at all a sponsored video. All the reviews and the opinions in this videos are all mine, honest and genuine, and as per my personal experiences from this product. I have read about them a lot. I have read reviews of the people. I have met people who have used these products, and I also really want to buy those products for myself. If you have Becca products on your wish list or you are planning to buy, so I hope this video will help you out in the tiniest way to choose your Becca products. And if you like this video and if this video is helpful for you, then like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification button so that every time I post a new video you'll get notification for the same. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.